Hello guys, so today I'm going to show how to clean your AC air filter. So if the air filter gets too dusty, the compressor will have to work on overload and the flow of the air will also get reduced. So let's get our AC clean filter. First, make sure you switch off your AC and the switch. So this is a split type AC. Today I will be showing you both. If you come to this end or the other end, there will be a small opening. If you can see this, just push the plastic here outwards and there you go, it will pop off. Take this plastic cover off by popping off the plastic on the other side too. There you go. Push the plastic upwards. So as you can see, the plastic in black color, that's the air filter in this AC. Usually in split ACs you do get two air filters, one on the left hand side. Let me take it. And the other on the right hand side. Just there will be two notch over here. Move the filter upwards and slide all the way towards you, and there you go. And that's how you should take the air filters from your split AC. So my air conditioner make is Carrier and it has two separate air filters, as you can see over here, one on the left and the other on the right. So these are ready to go back into the ACs. And that's how you remove, and after removing just rinse the dust with running tap water, that is fine. So putting back the air filter is the opposite of removing it. So this is the air filter. Keep the air notch facing you and push the air filter all the way in this way. And at the end it will be hanging out, so push these notches into the holes provided, and that is the same procedure has to be repeated for the left. So after cleaning, make sure you assemble in the same way which you took out. And that's it guys, the filter is clean, so we can lower the plastic hood on the above. So it will be slightly popping out. Press the plastic in and you will be hearing a clicking sound. So that's it guys. So this is how you clean an air filter in a split type AC. So guys, coming to the window type, the outer plastic frame where the air filter in a window type AC sits. So on the right, the cold air comes through this duct, and on this left, this is where the air filter in a window type AC on most of the window type AC sits over here. So in the window type, if you bend over at the bottom of the AC, so this is the bottom. So you will be seeing two notches over here too, one over here and the other over here. Just pop it upwards in this way, it will open, and there you go, that is the air filter. In a window type AC there will be a single air filter. So this is the position where you have to hold the air filter. This is the two notch which is holding it. Move slightly upwards and wiggle it. So it's that simple guys, to take an air filter both in a window type as well as a split type. So if you have serviced the AC before a couple of months or a month, so please don't ask the service guys to come again, which would cost a hell lot of money for you. just clean the air filter and put it back on. So that's it guys for today. I hope you will also be able to clean your air filters either in the window type or AC type, and it's good to go. So after cleaning, it's the opposite of taking it out. Just slide the upper hood upward and keep the filter in. Make sure you place the filter in between the notches provided here and on the other side too, and put the plastic door down, and you will be hearing the popping sound. So that's it for the window type.